Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 4951P. It's a 2018 Ford Transit T250 cargo van with 260,000 K. This one is your medium height and medium length option. So it is your 148-inch wheelbase. So plenty of room in the back. There's about 5.5 feet worth of interior room in here. There's also just over 11 feet from the bulkhead to the back door. This one itself has got logistic strapping mounted on the walls, a bulkhead, as well as some solid plywood floor as well. This one was used specifically to haul around little oxygen bottles around. So it was never used for any sort of construction purposes or anything like that. It was just specifically used for delivery. Something like this would be great for an in-town courier or a courier on the highway as well. It's a fair amount of volume in the back of these things, and they're great on a fuel. These 3.7 liters tend to run forever as well, so be a nice addition to your courier fleet. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt and cruise. Little tray up top for paperwork, that type of thing. Shelving and ladder racks and stuff can also be added on to these ones that don't have any. If you're an electrical contractor or a plumbing and heating contractor, general contractor, anybody like that would need a cargo van, something like this would be a great addition to your fleet. Again, stock number 4951, 2018 Ford Transit van.